Not every moment in your life is meant for your improvement. And I think I forgot that myself. If you're listening to this, whether it's for 5 seconds, 15, or the whole thing, I want you to be reminded of that. If you know me, this might sound strange, especially coming from someone who's been talking about growth and consistency for 300 consecutive days. But sometimes, even self-improvement becomes another trap. When you spend enough time chasing progress, it's easy to forget what it feels to just be. Every day, there's something new to fix, a habit, a mindset, a routine. And because there are so many tools, so many solutions, we start believing that every single moment needs to be optimized. Today, you're trying to meditate. Tomorrow, you're fixing your sleep. The day after that, you're restructuring your mornings. And slowly, life stops feeling like something you live. It becomes something you constantly have to improve. The problem isn't the pursuit of better. It's forgetting that sometimes doing nothing for the sake of doing nothing is exactly what you need. After 300 days of this, of recording, reflecting, creating, I realized, or even better, reminded myself, that I kind of fell into that loop myself. I wake up and my first thought is, what can I do better today? But sometimes the answer isn't to do more. It's to stop chasing the next thing long enough to actually feel what's already there. And this realization hit me during something as simple as building Legos. There's no end goal there, no productivity, no measurable return. You just sit down, piece by piece, and time flies. Every movement, every click, every shape coming together, it doesn't add anything to your growth, but it adds something back to you. Here's the paradox. Doing something that doesn't lead anywhere might be the most meaningful thing you can do. Because when everything in your life has a why, it's easy to forget the what. What do you actually enjoy? What brings you calm? What makes you feel like time isn't being wasted, but lived? In this silly instance, for me, it was building Legos. And it's not a metaphor. It's the act itself. The slow process, the lack of pressure, the small, deliberative focus on the present. And I think that's what we all need more of. Moments where we don't have to extract value from time, but simply spend it. So, if you're listening right now, maybe this weekend, try to give yourself permission not to improve, to not track your steps, or optimize your schedule, or chase the next big habit. Instead, do something that feels good only because it feels good. Watch a movie without taking notes. Go for a walk without checking your phone. Build something, draw something. Sit down, breathe, and let yourself be whatever works for you. Because maybe the next thing in your self-improvement journey isn't necessarily the next step, but just stopping for a moment and enjoying what you have built. This was episode 300 of the Shower Podcast, the podcast where I'm in my shower and you do you. This was Chip, and as usual, stay consistent, stay resilient. This was the Shower Podcast, and I'll see you tomorrow.